All right, so today let us look at the second part of having an English conversation. All right, so I'm just repeating myself. All it takes is confidence. You have your confidence, then you will be able to speak to anyone in English. But if you are shy and if you are afraid that maybe your grammar is not correct and you will not be able to speak English, right? So today we are going to look at a conversation between two people in English. All right. The first thing in any language, be it French, English, Chinese, the first thing is to greet. You have to greet the person first. You cannot just go and ask what you want, no matter how important it is. You have to greet the person first, introduce yourself, then you can ask what you want. All right. So let us look at this one here. So the first thing is greetings. Good morning. You have greeted the person. Then next, my name is Mark. You tell the person your name, and also you can go like in the previous video. You saw that you can go a little further into introducing yourself, but this time you are just saying, I am your new neighbor. This is a stranger, but you've just came to the city and you know nothing about the city, so you just highlight that you are the new neighbor so that the person gets to trust you, knowing now the person knows your name. The good morning also will help because the person will know that you have manners. Then the person knows your name and that you are the neighbor. You are not a total stranger to the person. All right. So the person then can reply, okay, nice to meet you. And how is the neighborhood? Now the person is confident in you. He knows who you are and that you are the neighbor. So he's asking, how are you finding the neighborhood? All right. Let us see what you will go on to say. All right. Here is your reply. You say, it's really amazing. The neighborhood is really amazing. Then you ask your question, where can I find the market? Remember, you are new in the neighborhood, so you don't even know where the market is or where the shops are. Now you want to know where the market is. Then let us see. This one is done. You say the neighborhood is amazing. Now you want to know where the market is, right? Then the person might always, I've noticed that when people are giving you directions, they're always like, okay, let me give you the easy road. All right. When someone is giving you directions, here are some of the ones I put in red. These are the highlights of that directing, right? The person says, from here you go straight and here you see a roundabout. So you go straight and look for a roundabout. These are the direction points. First is the roundabout. Before you see the roundabout, you will not do anything. So this is the first thing. You go straight until you see the roundabout. Then let us see what the next thing. All right. What happens when I see the roundabout? Before the roundabout, you turn to your right. These are the major components of the direction. Then you go for 200 meters. After turning right, you go for 200 meters. Then means consequently After doing this, you do that. Then you go for 200 meters. Then after the 200 meters, from there, you will start to hear noises. There's nothing important about directions here. You take your first right. We've already indicated that right and roundabout, so we're just repeating the right here. You take your right. You already know that when we say right, it's very important in directions. Then you see the welcome sign. All right, so you've been given direction from where you were to the market. All right, let us see what you do next. Remember, I've said respect is very important in any language. All right, after that, you will be like, okay, thank you. You express gratitude to the person who have just given you directions. Then the person will be welcome. So here is yet another conversation in English. So there will be more. So subscribe to our channel if you wanna learn English.